A very good afternoon to everyone. So, with this, I would just like to start with the session right away. As you know, for us,
Hello.
the health of our elders is the most important thing ever. So, keeping that in mind, we have got a very informative and insightful session on gallbladder diseases in elderly. Before we begin with the session, I'll just take a few minutes and introduce you all to Miss Dr. Hemant Kumar. So, Dr. Hemant Kumar has more than 15 years of experience in the field of laparoscopic and minimal access surgeries. He has performed over 25,000 surgeries, including simple and advanced laparoscopic and robotic surgeries over these years. He's worked in his early days in Safarganj Hospital and New Delhi before moving on to Fortis Group of Hospitals. Just give me a moment. Fortis Group of Hospitals. He has various fellowship degrees in the field of minimal access, or as we know it as laparoscopic surgeries. His expertise includes GI, that is gastrointestinal, colorectal, that is benign, and cancer surgeries, along with metabolic and bariatric surgeries. And apart from this, he has also published a lot of papers as well as co-authored various chapters in surgical textbooks. So without any further delay, Dr. Hemant, I'll just hand over the session to you. And once again, welcome to More TV. So over to you, sir. Dr. Hemant, you can unmute yourself.
Now it's right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the welcoming me here, and thank you for putting an insight on.
डॉक्टर हेमंत अपना ये मुंह पे जो मास्क लगाया ये हटा लेते थोड़ा नहीं तो हमको भी लगाना पड़ेगा
Puri ji, just give him a minute. Dr. Hemant, you are not audible actually. Dr. Hemant, can you hear me? Just give me a moment.
Sanjana, hello. So, is the session live or some discrepancy?
No. It's just we are recording it, and I believe the Dr. Hemant's video has stopped. I think there's some internet connectivity issue.
Yes, the IT people are doing the same. Now internet is connected. And
Okay.
I just also want to know whether you all are.
Gurjinder, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Yeah.
To keep on hold, and Dr. Hemant is with me, who will continue the session.
Hello, extremely sorry to keep you waiting, sir. I just had to attend to
emergency is more important.
Yeah, there is an emergency surgery. That is why I had to go. Is the screen? Can you see the screen, sir?
Yes, it's visible, Dr. Hemant.
Yes. So today I will be talking to you about gallbladder diseases in the elderly. So gallbladder diseases can be seen all throughout the age group, but somehow it is quite common and very common in the elderly. Now, why we need to understand this disease process is the fact that, whenever a gallbladder stone presents in a youngster and in an age group, it is slightly different. Okay. So in an elderly, it can cause more complication and a complication to a higher end. So things have to be taken care of. And most of the time, this disease has to be managed in such a way so that the patient does not have any complication. Just give me a minute, ma'am.
Dr. Hemant, you are on mute.
Hi, sorry. So, am I audible?
Yes, Dr. Hemant,
Okay,
please go
okay.
ahead.
So, the slight difference in an elderly is that we need to plan surgery in them so that we can have a better outcome. We would prevent them from coming in an emergency, because then the complication rate, everything is on a very higher side. Just to brief you about this, gallbladder is a small organ that is present right below the surface of the right side of the liver, connected to the ducts coming from liver through a duct called as cystic duct, and then it joins the pancreatic duct and opens into the duodenum. So how does it function? So normally whenever we have food, the digestive enzymes come from the liver as well as the pancreas. So liver secretes bile, जिसको हम पित्त बोलते हैं, और pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, यानी pancreatic juice होते हैं. So दोनों मिलके, both of them combine together and help in digestive process of the intestine, right? And when the body says, okay, digestion is complete, we don't need any more enzymes from them, the pancreas stops immediately. But from the liver, what comes down into the entire pipe, that goes back and gets stored in the gallbladder. The gallbladder has no production but only storage. But then why do we need a gallbladder? जैसे most of us would already know that हमारे घर में दो टंकियां रहते हैं. एक जो टंकी नीचे आता है जिसमें पानी फुल हो जाता है, और ऊपर का एक टंकी जिसमें से पानी आ जाए. So the one tanki gives a backup for the other. So whenever you need, जैसे आपको immediately कई सारे लोग घर में आ जाते हैं, so you need more water, right? So you both tanks are used. Similarly in the body, gallbladder is a tank. So आप जब भी ज्यादा खाना खाते हो, and especially a fatty meal, then the gallbladder functioning comes in, and gallbladder then starts secreting the bile inside that and gets into the duodenum, right? So this is the basic function of the gallbladder. Per se, in a normal routine way, much functioning of the gallbladder is not there unless you have a heavy meal or a heavy fatty meal. So this is the role of the gallbladder. So now, why we need to address this issue of a gallbladder disease here today? Like I told you, especially in an elderly, you don't want any complications, and you don't want to treat the complication of the gallbladder that is happening. You want to take care of this disease right from the word go, so that you don't end up in the clinic. And the options of treatment are plenty. You have a lot of options of treatment, so you need to take care of that. So what are the common diseases of the gallbladder that you generally see? Okay, so you have cholelithiasis, that is the gallbladder stones जो commonly आपको मिलते हैं. दूसरा cholecystitis, यानी gallbladder inflammation, सूजन, जो gallbladder का सूजन आता है because of stones and not because of stones also. Cholelithiasis, यानी जो gallbladder stone है वो वहां से बाहर आके liver से जो नलकी आती है उसमें फंस जाते हैं, तो वो वाले with and without cholangitis. Cholangitis यानी gallbladder की infection, जिसकी वजह से जॉन्डिस, ये सारा फीवर आ जाता है, ये एक अलग सा चीज है. फिर biliary strictures यानी जो आपका पाइप है, जो नलकी है, वो छोटा हो जाता है, इसकी वजह से biliary stricture हो जाता है. एंड फाइनली कैंसर सर्जरीज, जो गॉल ब्लैडर के कैंसर होते हैं. सो दीस आर ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स? कौन कौन से सिम्टम्स से पेशेंट हमारे पास आ जाता है? So usually पेन इन द अपर साइड, यानी ऊपर वाले हिस्से में, पेट के ऊपर वाले हिस्से में पेन होता है, जो नीचे थोड़ा जाता है, पीठ पे जाता है और आपकी कंधे यानी राइट शोल्डर तक जाता है. सो दिस इज अ टिपिकल प्रेजेंटेशन. पेन on the right side of the abdomen that goes behind to the left side and to your tip of your shoulder. This is how usually they present as. इसके साथ साथ biliary colic. Biliary colic यानी एकदम से पेन उठता है, फिर बीच में बिल्कुल सही हो जाता है, फिर से पेन उठता है, फिर से सही हो जाता है. ऐसे एक इंटरमिटेंट टाइप ऑफ पेन उठता है. सेकेंड चीज नोजिया या वॉमिटिंग, यानी आपको यू फील लाइक वॉमिटिंग एंड यू हैव अ टेंडेंसी टू वॉमिट. ये भी क्वाइट कॉमन है. उसके साथ साथ फीवर विद चिल्स, अगर कोलेंजाइटिस है तो चिल्स भी आ जाएगा. डायरिया, इंडाइजेशन, जॉन्डिस, लाइट कलर स्टूल्स एंड अगर जॉन्डिस है तो डार्क यूरिन. दिस इज हाउ कॉमनली डिजीजेस ऑफ ये प्रेजेंट एज. ओके, द साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स, ऊपर वहां टच करते ही उनका पेन हो जाएगा, फूड इंटॉलरेंस हो जाता है, डिस्पेप्सिया यानी गैस, एसिडिटी बनना हो जाता है और एक जनरलाइज्ड सिकनेस वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है. सो हम लेट्स कम टू द पर्टिकुलर फ्यू डिजीज दैट वी टॉक अबाउट, कॉमन डिजीजेस दैट वी सी. एक तो गॉल ब्लैडर स्टोन्स, कोलिलिथियासिस आते हैं. तो स्टोन्स गॉल ब्लैडर में क्यों फॉर्म होता है? वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई अ स्टोन इज फॉर्म्ड इज बिकॉज ऑफ गॉल ब्लैडर डिसफंक्शन, यानी गॉल ब्लैडर की फंक्शनिंग कम हो जाती है और उसमें स्टेसिस हो जाता है. जैसे एक ग्लास पानी में अगर आप पानी लंबे समय तक रखोगे, आप देखोगे कि नीचे व्हाइट सफेद सा जमता है, राइट? दिस इज कॉल्ड एज क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. समथिंग सिमिलर हैपेंस इन गॉल ब्लैडर. किसमें होगा किसमें नहीं होगा ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, बट मोस्टली जेनेटिकली प्रीडिटरमाइंड, यानी आपके जीन्स में अगर लिखा हुआ है कि आपका स्टोन्स बनेगा तो जरूर बनेगा. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, जो हाई फैटी मील खाते हैं, जो स्टारवेशन, सडन वेट लॉस होता है, उनमें भी ये देखा जाता है. जनरली अगर स्टोन्स आए तो कई जगह में जा सकते हैं. पैंक्रियास को हिट कर सकते हैं, नलकी में जा सकते हैं, ऊपर लिवर में जा सकते हैं और गॉल ब्लैडर को अफेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो इसमें क्या इश्यूज हैं? अगर आपने अल्ट्रासाउंड नहीं किया होता तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. बट अगर मान के चलिएगा आपको कोई दर्द नहीं है, बट आप फिर भी आपने अल्ट्रासाउंड कराया, यू डन अल्ट्रासाउंड विदाउट हैविंग एनी पेन एंड देन यू गेट टू नो दैट गॉल ब्लैडर स्टोन्स है, तो देन हाउ डू वी प्रोसीड? सो इसमें प्रोसीड करने के लिए यू नीड टू नो कि whether surgery is required or not. Trust me, half of the patients don't have any pain, don't have any issues, but one day will come in an emergency, and that point of time, surgery will be becoming like a question of life and death. Then it becomes a high risk case because the patient is already having lot of comorbidities, यानी डायबिटीज होता है, हाइपरटेंशन होता है पेशेंट में, और इस केस में इमरजेंसी आके तुरंत सर्जरी करना हो या परफोरेशन हो, गॉल ब्लैडर फट गया हो, तो इन सब चीजों में इट बिकम्स एन इशू. सो दैट इज वन रीजन व्हाई यू नीड टू गेट दिस सर्जरी डन. इससे स्टोन से क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है? स्टोन वैसे ही आपको फीवर, जॉन्डिस, पेन कर सकता है, या ऊपर इन्फेक्शन लिवर में चला जा सकता है, या नीचे सरक के आ जाएगा तो जॉन्डिस प्रोड्यूस करता है. इन सब की बदौलत ये परेशानियां होती है, राइट? इसीलिए गॉल ब्लैडर का ट्रीटमेंट करना होगा. सो कैसे करें हम? व्हाट इज अ प्रॉब्लम? लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग इश्यूज आ जाते हैं अगर वो इमरजेंसी में आ जाते हैं. स्पेशली डायबिटीज में कभी कभी पता नहीं चलता, गैंग्रीनस कोलिसिस्टाइटिस भी हो जाता है और एकदम से कोलैप्स कर जाते हैं. इसलिए इशू ये रहता है कि एल्डरली में हम प्रेफरेंशियली इलेक्टिव केसेस करें ताकि इमरजेंसी केसेस ना करें. इलेक्टिव केसेस में हमारे पेशेंट की रिकवरी अच्छी होती है, एंड पॉइंट अच्छा होता है, हमारा डिजीज इंटरवल में हम अच्छे से टैकल कर सकते हैं उसको एंड मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. एंड सेकेंड, ये मोस्ट कॉमन इशू आपका है कि जॉन्डिस अगर स्टोन्स ऊपर चढ़ गया हो, नीचे आ गया हो, इस केसेस में वी हैव टू डू ERCP. ERCP इज अ सिंपल OPD एडमिटेड पेशेंट जिससे सेडेशन में करते हैं, जनरल एनेस्थीसिया की जरूरत पड़ती नहीं है. बट अगेन इन एन एल्डरली, बिफोर इट कॉजेस एनी प्रॉब्लम, दिस हैज टू बी टैकल्ड. इसमें स्टोन नलकी में आके फंस जाता है और कई सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग जॉन्डिस, इंक्लूडिंग फीवर, इंक्लूडिंग पेन. ये सिंपल सा प्रोसीजर होता है. इसके साथ साथ ERCP के बाद जो कि स्टोन गॉल ब्लैडर से आया है, उस गॉल ब्लैडर को भी निकालना जरूरी होता है. तो एंडोस्कोपिक प्रोसीजर जनरली ऐसे वहां जाके उसमें स्टेंटिंग कर देते हैं. ठीक है. कोलेंजाइटिस एक और बीमारी होती है. कोलेंजाइटिस में फीवर चढ़ जाता है, पेन हो जाता है, रिकरेंट वॉमिटिंग्स हो जाती हैं. इसमें वी नीड टू बी वेरी 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 केयरफुल. पहले एंटीबायोटिक से ट्रीट करना होगा ताकि लिवर का फंक्शन सब वापस आ जाए, फिर जाके जो सोर्स है गॉल ब्लैडर उसको हमें निकालना होगा। कैंसर, ये सबसे डरावनी और भयानक चीज है गॉल ब्लैडर डिजीज में। एक चीज है कि गॉल ब्लैडर स्टोन्स में 1% चांस है आगे जाके वो कैंसर बन जाएगा। 1% चांस ऑफ अ गॉल ब्लैडर स्टोन डेवलपिंग इनटू अ कैंसर। Now, the issue with cancer of gallbladder or the bile duct is it's got a very poor prognosis. Yani it is a bad disease, bad cancer. So preventively अगर कुछ आप कर सकते हो, it is really good. Otherwise, advanced stage में you don't have much options. You need to go ahead and you need to get it out. So earlier the better. Okay. So cancer, I don't want to discuss in further, but cancer में same issues आपका weight loss, fever, anorexia, abdominal pain, night sweats, आपका liver function deranged हो जाता है, jaundice हो जाता है, इन सब में वो present कर देते हैं। तो advanced disease में ही issues रहते हैं। So just to conclude, I have kept it very brief and for your understanding that gallbladder disease is quite common in elderly people. Important symptom is recurrent abdominal pain, dyspepsia, belching. A whole idea is to treat the patient in an elective basis rather than asking them to come in an emergency, especially with the primary health checkup that goes on where an ultrasound is routinely done. If they get to know that they have a gallbladder disease, they must approach the surgeon, talk to him and see what options he has so that they can plan better and they can have a better outcome rather than coming into an emergency surgery and trying to treat the complication of the disease rather than the disease itself. Okay, with this I end my speech. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and then we can go ahead.
डॉक्टर साहब कोई प्रिवेंटिव
Absolutely. So preventive care is just like keeping yourself healthy, sir. Having a comparatively a fat-free diet, not to eat large meals, good exercises, and regular health checkups. Sir. These are the essential one. Keep low on alcohol, keep low on smoking. So this is the one that will actually help you into having a good disease per se profile. But otherwise, एक बार आपको पता चल गया, तो you must speak to the surgeon and see the options you have. You need to know the options. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि सर्जरी ही करना है, बट आपको पता होना चाहिए कि क्या है, कैसा है, and the surgeon is the best person to guide you. Especially आप जब को पता है, अब 10 साल से आप gallbladder stone लेके जा रहे हो, you are not getting any younger and you are only getting more and more health issues. So you need to be ensuring that आपको अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो everything can be taken care of and that you don't end up in an unnecessary admission, then ICU, then the increased expenditure. ये सब चीजें होनी नहीं चाहिए.
Okay.
Doctor, only ultrasound is required, or probably any other test?
Only ultrasound, sir. Gallstones are best detected by ultrasound. Gallbladder diseases are best detected by ultrasound, sir. I would not encourage you to go.
No other blood test required for this.
No, sir. Ultrasound is the single most and simple test which will tell you, sir.
Right.
Hello,
Dr. Hemant.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Dr. Hemant, surgery में दो type की surgery, to my little knowledge. One is aggressive, and another is the cool one.
Yes.
Nowadays, all the surgeons, they recommend it should be done immediately. But in our time, like in my wife's case, it took 3 to 4 years. Doctor said, any symptom? I said, no. Only the symptom, if there is some trouble, nausea, vomiting, only then you come.
Absolutely.
So it was operated after 4 years.
Absolutely, sir. So I completely agree with you, sir. That's why I'm saying in a younger individual, when there are no symptoms and routinely you get to know. So in that case, you keep a good follow-up, good life. If it is troubling you, get it out.
Yeah,
but
right.
As you grow old, sir, you are getting a lot of comorbidities with you. Your heart, your lungs, your kidney. So you're not getting into any better circumstance where, you may have an issue. So in that case, you need to go a little ahead, sir. And second is, you are right, पहले ज़माने में this used to be like a major surgery. एक लिस्ट में gallbladder stone removal होता तो उस दिन कोई major case नहीं रखते थे. आजकल laparoscopic, mini laparoscopic सब आ गया है सर. Surgery lasts for about 15-20 minutes. Patient is home by next day and walking 2 hours after the surgery. This has made life entirely different, sir.
Yeah,
so
I agree.
Going about is actually easy. Outcome is much better. That aggressive surgery, non-aggressive surgery comes in a complicated state, sir. जब ऑलरेडी परफोरेशन हो चुका है, ऑलरेडी बहुत सारा सूजन है, तब डॉक्टर्स लिमिटेड सर्जरी करके आ जाते हैं. But otherwise, if you are thinking of an elective, it is
मैं सुन रही हूँ बस.
Thank you.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Please, yes,
Dr.
ma'am.
Hemant,
Please go ahead.
डॉक्टर
Yes,
हेमंत,
ma'am.
मैंने अभी अपना अल्ट्रासाउंड कराया है.
Yes, ma'am.
तो मेरा गॉल ब्लैडर इज वेल डिस्टेंडेड विद एन 18 mm calculus within.
Yes, ma'am.
The wall is not thickened and there is no fluid around it.
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप मुझे क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे?
आपको पेन कुछ हो रहा है, एसिडिटी का?
नहीं,
कुछ
मुझे
issues है?
मेरा रेगुलर चेकअप में हुआ है ये.
Okay, ma'am. Are you diabetic, hypertensive, on any
No,
cardiac?
no. Blood reports are all मेरी.
What is your age, ma'am? What is your age?
67.
Otherwise, you are leading a healthy life.
Yes, of course.
Okay, ma'am. So in this case, keep a close follow-up, and whenever you feel that that it is symptomatic, then you can come and you can take it out, ma'am.
Take it out.
Yes. Because see, I'll tell you, in gallbladder you have two stones. One is the smaller stones, one is the larger stones. The smaller stones tend to slip down and cause pancreatitis, gallbladder, cholelithiasis, everything.
Yes.
The larger stones tend to cause obstruction, mucocele, pyocele, and cancers. So you have a 18 mm is a large stone out there. So I feel you should plan, not like an emergency कि अभी आना है, कल आना है कुछ. Otherwise you should plan it out.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. It is clear now. Clear now. Okay. Thank you.
Doctor, in your last picture, you're showing this appendix. Can you just explain a little bit about appendix?
Just give it a minute. I think he's on a call. Just a minute, Asha ji. Meanwhile, Gurinder, can we remove the sharing screen because it's
Yeah, sure. Just give me a few minutes. On the call.
Yeah, sorry, ma'am. Please tell me.
Asha ji, you can go ahead. Yeah.
In this last picture which you're showing appendix. Can you explain a little bit about appendix?
Appendix, ma'am, anyway, out of question. Appendix is an organ, is a part of large bowel, ma'am. It's a small diverticula out there, and it has no much role in humans. It is more of an role in canines, your cow and all. उसमें ज़्यादा role है इसका, ma'am. So just because it is a non-essential organ, you don't take it out. Okay. Gallbladder का भी status ऐसा ही आ गया है, virtually because we live in the life of a button where we don't eat a large meal, we are more health conscious, so the role of gallbladder is also limited now. So इसीलिए मैंने ये picture दिखाया कि though gallbladder is almost a vestigial organ, यानी it doesn't have much purpose in the body, doesn't mean you take it out. Okay, that is why I just got it here.
But I have heard that people get terrible pain because of appendix,
yes,
and it has to be removed immediately.
Appendix gets, it's an emergency surgery, ma'am. Definitely emergency. You cannot wait in it. It has to go on.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll just make a move, ma'am, because I'm going to the OT. I will take some questions. You can just forward it. I will put it back into the group, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Wonderful
Thank you
having
so
all
much,
of you
doctor.
here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining in today, and in case you have any questions, you can put it up to your ERMs and we'll make sure that those questions are answered by Dr. Hemant in meanwhile. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining in, and thank you for waiting today. Thank you.